how 2 plus 2 equal 5. So as you see, 0 equal to 0. Is this what you know? So if you take, for example, if you take 16, negative 16 equal to 0, and then 20, negative 20 equal to 0, and this equal to 0. Then 16 in ratios equal to 4 times 4, and then this negative 4 times 4 equal to this 16, and this equal to this. Then this is the equal 20 equal to 5 times 4, as we know, that equal to 20, then negative, then 20 equal to 5 times 4. And then these 4 and these 4 are the same. We light 1 4. Then as you see, 4 and these 4 are the same, so we light 1 4, this negative, this 4, and then equal to 5 and 5 are the same. Then bracket 4, this 4, negative, this 4. Then as you see, 4 negative 4 and 4 negative 4 are equal, and there is equal sign. Then it will be equal to 0. Then we will remain with 4 equal to 5. Then we know that 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Then 2 plus 2 will equal to this 5.